Hello guys, welcome to FinTech Space with Timbis, your gateway to mastering the intricacies of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Kindly subscribe to this channel and put on your notification bell for updates. Ensure that you like our videos after watching so that YouTube can recommend to others as well. Do enjoy your stay on this channel. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. And today there has been a lot of questions concerning how do I cash out, how do I get out my money, how do I get out all my hard and efforts from Hamster Kombat. So right now in this video, there's no need of you disturbing yourself again. I'm going to show you how you can prepare yourself to cash out from Hamster Kombat at launch. So I would say that you're on the right channel, you're at the right channel. So sit back as I take you through how you are going to go about withdrawing your Hamster Combat tokens. Yes, you're preparing to withdraw. All right guys, so let's get started. So if you look at my screen, on my screen right now, you are going to see just right down here, you're going to see something like airdrop here. Hope you see it right now. So click on it, and now what can you see? You can see connect your Tone wallet, connect your Tone wallet. So okay, so click on it now. Let's see what is there. So it's showing me I should connect my Tone wallet, and what there is a blue box here showing connect your Tone wallet. So if I click on it, let me show you what is going to show. All right, you can see what I have here. I have a whole lot of wallets that I can use. So let me pick it one by one. So if I pick the first one, it will open directly, it will connect directly to my Telegram wallet. Do you get it? So but it seems it's not really that much safer when it comes to the security, except you want to actually keep your Telegram login password details for a longer time, or maybe someone else having access to your phone. But for me, I'm going to suggest that you should use some other wallets like Tonkeeper, my Tone wallet, Tone Hub. So if you scroll right now, you see quite some number of Biget wallets, D wallet, Tone Hub, my Tone wallet, Tonkeeper. So if you actually want to go with a Telegram wallet, there's no problem about that. So just click on Open Wallet in Telegram. So it opens for you, and then what you get to click on Connect Wallet. So if you don't want to disturb yourself about having to install any other ones, do you get it? But right now, so we'll move to the second one. If you actually want to have a wallet that you can actually keep safe till forever, that is okay. I'm going to disconnect this right now so I can show you. So I'm going to disconnect my Telegram wallet from it. So right now, what do I want to do right now? We've already seen that we have other wallets that we can use. We have Tonkeeper, so I would just recommend going with Tonkeeper. So what are you going to do right now? Head to your app store, your Play Store if it is Google Store, or for your iPhone, go to your Apple Store, and what you install Tonkeeper. So now I'm going to go to my app, my Play Store. So now I want to install Tonkeeper. So just click on search icon here. So just click on your search icon and then type in Tonkeeper. So and search. So once you click on Tonkeeper, you just click on it, and I've already installed it on my phone. So if this is your first time, you are going to see install here. So just click on install, and what it gets to install. So and then you click on open. So once you click on open, let's see what's going to show. So you are going to see something like this, and it's going to ask you, okay, enable notification. So once you click enable notification, you type in the name that you want to put there. Okay, well, let's do whatsoever. So click on save, and what do you do? It shows you all of these things. You get it right now. So right now you're already on your wallet. So and also make sure that what you back up your wallet recovery phrase. What do I mean by backup? Write out this 12 or 24 secret phrase, save somewhere in your diary, whatsoever, in your shelf. Keep it safe so that in the next 10-15 years, if you hand it over to someone, they can still have access to this wallet, just in case you have some assets inside of it. I hope you get it right now. So once you've done that, now for me, I already have one wallet, so I want to use the other one to connect. So now just go back. So once you go back, so just click on Tonkeeper. So then and it's going to show for you that, okay, connect this wallet towards to Tone to Hamster Kombat, as you can see right on your screen. And so you just click on that, and what you get to connect. Just as simple as that, straightforward. Do you get it right now? So that is what you are expected to do in preparation for you to cash out your hamster tokens. So it's connected. So you can see this, you can see this mark here. It shows that what you are already connected. You've connected your Tone wallet in preparation for your withdrawal. All right, guys. Okay, so just so you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment section below, and kindly like the video, share to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and make sure you put on the notification bell so that you can be alerted once new video drops. All right, guys, until next time, this is FinTech Space with Thimbis. Bye for now.